Welcome. Today in front of me HardReset, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should just select the application, hold for a while and drag this app to another application, and as can you see, we got here the new screen folder, and here you can add the more application by the same way, just to hold and to drag it to this folder. Also you can tap here on the plus icon and select the applications which you want to add. Just tap here on the left upper corner on the checkboxes, and here you can see all the selected applications. In my case that's the sixth one, and just tap here to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully add more application here. And if you want to just remove some applications from this folder, just by the same way tap on this checkbox again and tap to OK, and as can you see, we just stay only with two apps here. And if you want to just tap here, just want to rename the folder, tap on the name and enter here the new name, for example the apps. Tap here to OK, and as can you see, we just customize our folder. And also you can move this folder here on the screen, just hold for a while and drag it, for example, to this section. Or if you want to just, you can move this folder here between the screens to this screen, or you can also create the new screen with this folder, so as you want to do. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.